SERV stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. SERV Robotics sitting a good $10.10, 4.55% up for the day, and it is actually good. I mean, that's exactly what I want to see, since we've already, it has been some time since September, like 2 months or so plus, but we've seen it double break, and this is exactly what I wanted to see. And since we've seen that, it's been game on, you know, game on, baby. And yeah, like I said, the moment that I start seeing breaks above 1076 is the moment that I start to pull the trigger towards the upside. Anything else that is not going to be that is going to be complete noise. I call it noise because that's something that I would not be interested in, but like I'm very excited about this, I'm trying to make it risk-free the moment we start to break those 1076 highs. And anything else in between is just I'll keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free and want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.